How to add money to Walmart Money Card. The very first thing you want to make sure that the application Walmart Money Card is installed on your device. If not, you can easily install it from your app store. Once it has been installed, open the app, enter your login credential, and then sign in to your specific account. Once you have been signed in, it will land you on this homepage. If you're looking on to adding the money, click on Deposit at the bottom. 4 different options are available to you. One is Set up direct deposit, another is bank transfer, deposit cash, and deposit a check. So you can choose whichever method that you want to. Let me select deposit cash. Click on it. Now what you want to do is simply click on Create a deposit code. One deposit code will be created to you. Once it has been created, you have to show it to the cashier at the Walmart store to make the deposit. Well, there is no any fee for cash deposit using the app. The money will be added to your account successfully, and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can add money to Walmart Money Card. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.